Jekyll Setup for Windows. To install Jekyll, one must install Ruby. Install latest Ruby from below URL. https://rubyinstaller.org Downloads. Select Ruby+Devkit 2.7.1-1x64. Once the installation is complete, then the black window appears where you need to select all the options to install like XIS2 base installation, etc. Let's wait till it all gets installed. Now open a command prompt, check whether the Ruby installed in your system. Ruby+V. If it is installed, then go for next. Check whether a gem is installed. Gem+V. Now install Jekyll in your system using the command gem install Jekyll bundler. Once installed, now check if Jekyll installed using the commandJekyll. Now create a site. Open command prompt. Move to the specific folder where you want to set up your site. Enter commandJekyll new site name. The folder will get created with the name, site name. Now move to the folder where the folder got created. cdc, folder name. Using dir command you can see the list of files created automatically.